The NAB had asked us to do a really tough project.
It was the middle of November. School was in full swing.
2 weeks after Hurricane Sandy struck the East Coast, they wanted to shoot on the rural broadcasters laid during the hurricane.
Unbelievable. Another piece of the boardwalk now just...
We shot in 5 states within a period of a week.
Multiple markets in each of the major cities. We knew we needed to move very quickly.
When Scott brought up the idea of working on this documentary, I was really excited.
I asked, can you take a week off and go shoot?
And I said, sign me up, I want to go.
The first time we ever had the team together was actually sitting in our car driving up.
First of all, I want to, Ashley, welcome to our humble crew. And let's just kind of talk about what everybody's job is going to be. Josh is unit manager.
We only had about 48 hours of our trip scheduled. The rest of the trip had to be planned while we were driving in our car.
We have to kind of really explain the project and what we're doing and why getting the video now is so essential to us.
In some cases, we didn't even know where we were going to sleep the next night.
Chandra was on the phone trying to set up the next day, 24 hours ahead of time.
The next street we're turning on is 16th Street.
When we first arrive on a set, we set up the camera and immediately we go then into lighting. After kind of the whole set is set up, I would move into audio. I would grab the boom mic, make sure the levels were good.
Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on it.
Our first shoots in Washington were a little bit slow as we all figured it out.
Things were a little shaky, but as we worked and as we operated, we learned how to function as a team. By the end of the week, we were so fast at our setup, television stations were marveling at what we could do in such a short amount of time. This trip was an opportunity for me to further develop the skills that I had learned in Gaylord so far.
And I guess for many of us that are teaching, that's what it's all about. We bring students along.
The type of opportunity that allows you to take what you've learned in a textbook and put it into practice is invaluable. And I felt like I developed as a person and as a professional.